the price of the Illuvium token is going down. And the reason for that is hidden in this data over here. Some people might say Illuvium is simply going down because the general crypto market is going down, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum is in a bear market. But what we actually want to look at is relative performance. So what we see over here is not the Illuvium price in US dollars, it's the token price in Ethereum. So this is relative performance to Ethereum. So of course the general market went down, but the price of the token went down even more. The underperformance of ILV relative to ETH is 84% from the top of the end of November of last year to today. Now, why is that? Because staking the token doesn't really reward that much of an APY, right? This can't all just be token inflation by staking. The issue I see is account growth. So the issue with any play to earn game is that games cannot really create new money out of thin air, right? Money flows into the system, money flows out of the system. At least when you measure this in an external currency such as Ethereum or simply the US dollar. If you want to pull out US dollars out of the system, somebody else has to have deposited those. If you want to pull out more than what you deposited, you're indirectly taking that money from someone else. And so in order for you to really earn money, more money than you've got deposited, you need to have more people coming after you. The system has to continue growing. But when we look here at the monthly new accounts, we see a top of roughly 10,000 accounts in August of last year and then another peak in November of last year, the time when also the price peaked relative to ETH. Since then, the new account creation went down relatively constantly, and with that decline, the token price also had a pretty rough time. Pretty much anybody that invested into ILV after November of last year is currently in the losses. So really what I think is important here, in order for any new investor entering this, what's important is another new wave that even exceeds the 10K account creation in August of last year. If such a new wave cannot be created, then everybody that went in 2022 will be at a loss. Those people will basically be the return of the people that entered early. So it's fundamental when joining any kind of crypto gaming or crypto DeFi project to be early, to be among the early adopters, to join when the project is still risky and not yet well established. The people that came here in March or April of last year, those are the ones that made all the money. The ones that signed up this year probably have a much rougher time. So it doesn't really take a lot of analysis of the game itself, right? Simply look at adoption, simply look at the fundamentals of money flowing into a system and money flowing out of a system. And we currently see that new account creation is lower than it has been in the past, then there's likely a net outflow leading to a constantly declining price. So personally, I'm not getting involved into ILV right now. If you're wondering what kind of plays I currently do, feel free to check out the premium membership. Link is in the video description. If you found the information useful here, consider giving this a like and consider subscribing. I publish videos regularly. There's another comparable video around the Drip network. Feel free to check that out. Hope to see you in that video, and thanks for watching this one. Bye bye.